Hey guys, welcome to another video of my trip to Cancun. Today we'll be talking about food and drinks from the Royalton Chic Cancun Resort. Let's go! This restaurant is called Elements. It is the buffet style restaurant at the resort. You can eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner over there. This video was recorded around breakfast time. You will see as the video go on, there are so many choices for breakfast over there at Elements. Although I ate dinner there on my first night at the resort, I prefer it around breakfast time because there are so much choices and the food over there are delicious. I started my morning with some fruits and I tried to film, but the fear I have of filming is just ridiculous. My next plate is an omelet, which they made in front of me, and I got to choose everything that was inside of it. This restaurant is La Hacienda. It is the Mexican cuisine at the resort. This video was filmed around breakfast time as well, but breakfast at this restaurant is only reserved for Diamond Club members only. The only reason why I was able to eat there at breakfast time is because I went there every night during my stay at the resort and it was booked. It was packed. There was a waiting list every night. So after the night of my birthday, they told me they would give me a courtesy breakfast before I leave. On the night of my birthday, I ended up eating at Chopstick. Chopstick is the Asian cuisine at the resort, and oh man, the food there was delicious. The next restaurant is the Hunter Steakhouse, and there is always a waiting list there as well. Dinners start at 6, and once it's 6, I feel like everyone is at the restaurant eating, which causes a waiting list in most of the restaurant, if not all. The steak was really good and the wine complemented it. The creme brulee wasn't as expected, but it was okay. And now we'll move on to the bars. The first bar we'll be talking about is Moonlight. Moonlight was my favorite bar at the resort. It is located on the first floor, and the bartender who attended me there every day makes the best drinks throughout the resort, in my opinion. For the additional bars and restaurants that I didn't mention in this video, visit the Royalton Chic Cancun website and you will find all the information that you need. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.